Hello everyone, welcome to Kumari's home cooking. Today's recipe is going to be Rasam. Rasam is an Indian authentic soup which is very good for your health, and in my family now everyone is having cough and cold, so I'm going to do pepper rasam. It's a kind of soup. Okay, I have 2 tablespoons of pepper. I'm going to do a bit more. You guys, if you have small family, you can reduce the amount. This is 2 tablespoons pepper, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 whole garlic, tomato, tamarind. This is the tamarind pulp. I took about 1 tablespoon and then I soak it in the water, and I will, take the liquid and throw the seeds away. And you need curry leaves and also coriander. So now I'm going to blend all these three with the garlic. The tomato, I'm going to squeeze it in the water, so that's the right way. Instead of using a blender, it's good to squeeze it with your hand. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. Okay, let me show you how to take this juice. Look, you can get this in all stores in Canada and everywhere. They are selling this tamarind. They are ready-made tamarind liquid. Like, I don't like it, but this is very good. Okay, I'm going to squeeze this nicely and take the juice out, the pulp out. See? Can you see the seeds here? I'm going to take it out, and then I'm going to fill a lot of water here because it's going to be like a soup, right? So, okay, now it's here. So I'm going to go according to my measurement. I need more water later. Okay, here's the blender. I'm going to put in all the spices. The garlic, I will put it later once I blend these ingredients. I'm going to blend the garlic with the skin. This is medicinal kind of recipe, so it must be with the skin, okay? Okay, I'm going to blend this. Okay, this is how it should be. Don't blend it too fine. And I'm going to blend the green chili and the garlic. That's the best part, the green chili. Okay, the garlic with the skin on and the green chili. Okay, everything is done here. Okay, here goes the tamarind juice. And tomato, I'm going to use my hand. My hand is clean and washed. Okay, and then the second tomato too. Okay, everything is ready here. I'm going to add more water. Okay, let's cook the rasam. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil shouldn't be a lot because this is a food that you really need not use any oil. Oil, but not so much. You must use oil, but not so much, because oil might give you very slow digestion. Too much of oil. Okay, this is gingerly oil. This is Indian gingerly oil. That means it's a sesame oil. I'm using that. Now I'm going to use mustard, vinaigrette, 1 teaspoon. I'm making a lot, okay guys? So don't follow all these measurements. You can reduce or increase more according to your. So you're gonna cook this for a few seconds, and then the curry leaves. And all the blended ingredients. Cook this for about 30 seconds. Some people they roast the ingredients. They roast the ingredients before blending it, but I didn't roast it, so I'm roasting it here in the oil. Okay, it's done. I'm going to put this in here and don't let it boil too much, and I'm going to keep this in medium heat so that it simmers and get other ingredients to be cooked. That's the main important thing is don't let it boil. When you're seeing it's going to boil, off the stove. Okay, and I'm going to add the coriander too. Since you're not going to cook too long, it's better to put it in. Look at my traditional rasam. This is usually made for people who are sick, and it's a good food. You can eat it in normal days too, not only for cough, cold and anything, but it's mainly good for cough and cold because of the black pepper. When people are really sick, having fever, you can give this. This is really very good. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, I'm going to add turmeric too. Turmeric is also good for your health, and this is half teaspoon of turmeric. Indians use a lot of turmeric in your cooking. So you can see it's taking a while because the heat is in the medium. If you put it high, it will quickly boil. So let it simmer, let it take its time, so it will really bring out the taste of all the ingredients. Okay, so you can see the bubble is going to boil. So yeah, it's going to boil. Okay, then I'm going to off the stove. And I off the stove, and that's it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys will try this recipe at home. Okay, here goes my rasam. Did you see the beautiful color of my rasam? Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you guys will try this recipe at home. Bye.